have the driveway sanded and sealed with 2 coatings. Some areas are not completely dry yet, as we can see. But over the weather conditions, we'll have time to dry. We can see here as well, all the sand is filled in between the grooves of the block paving, preventing any weeds coming up in between the blocks, causing the size of gaps popping through.
Click subscribe for more videos, and if you're interested today, then call now for your free no obligation quotation today on 07493 368 511, or contact us through our landlines, which are Ellesmere Port, Chester, Prestatyn, Ellesmere Port 0151 601 6809, or Chester landline 01244 456 997, or Prestatyn landline 01745 507 609. Have your home brought to life, because your satisfaction is our priority.